Watch this video if you want to see this plate totally transform. So I bought this plate for $3 at the thrift store, and I brought it home. I did a chalk marker structure on it, and that's just the white material. It'll wipe away easily. But once I take my Dremel to that design, it's there forever. So that's one reason why I enjoy this process. I like to think about the longevity of these pieces that I'm making, and it's just a quick way to transform an item completely. At this point, I have finished a lot of the etching, and I'm gonna move on to shading the different areas of this piece. So at this point in time, the machine's not running. I just have the grinding bit in there, and I'm scratching the surface, and it creates a shade effect. And it helps me differentiate different areas of the design, and it looks good overall. But here's some real-time work. I hope that helped you realize how long this whole process takes me. I don't look at the clock so much, but it takes me hours, and my body hurts afterwards. My wrist is fatigued, and I'm hunched over a lot. But so I can only do so much etching, even though I really enjoy it. But I use tape quite frequently to help me create a consistent thickness, and here I'm making a sort of border and scratching it in so that it will create a shine when the plate is turned. And this was the last step, and I was so excited to see how it looked at the end. That's my signature. I always put KJ and the year so I can know when I made my stuff. But I added this patina. Originally, the plate was very shiny and new looking, but I didn't quite like that. So I took off the labels, and then I applied a vinegar and salt solution. And you see it goes from shiny to dull over time. And I did the same thing on the back, and I let it sit overnight, and it created a very interesting looking pattern. So I'm glad I took this step before I did the design so that I wouldn't be afraid of messing it up. But here's the finished product, essentially. I really enjoyed this piece, and I think it's going to be in my house hanging for a while.